Right here, right here. Ooh. Mountain view here, guys. Ano ba to? Gusto ba akong makasama nitong sa kama or gusto niyang doon siya humiwalay siya?
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, everything! So, ngayon guys, yun si Tommy, iniwan na naman din ako. Palagi na lang akong iniwan sa iri. So, yan, mahilig talaga yan sa couch. Iwan ko na lang. Silang dalawa ni Roxy, mahilig sa couch. But anyway, good morning. Ito yung umaga ko, guys. Pakainin ko lang sila. Yung mga alaga ko. It's time to pakain-kain. Yan. Ang dami ng talong. I-harvest natin ito mamaya. Oh, malaki na talong. Mayroon pa doon. Oh, malaki. Saka, yes, ang dami dito. Scallion. Ang laki ng scallion. Oh. Okay. What are you looking?
What you put in the egg?
What I put in the egg?
Is that?
No. No, this is older. I'm gonna cook more later. I don't want that. It's 2 weeks ago. So, my husband want cheese. Okay, cut cheese now. Ay, nako. Pagka-arte na lang gayud. Oy, di man hugawhan. It's not dirty, oy. It's not dirty, love. It's our sink. I clean it all the time, love. Good morning, everything. Good morning, guys. So, magluto tayo ng itlog ni Tame. Tame's egg is the best. Tame's egg is one of the kind. It's so good. Gusto niya ng cheese sa egg niya, guys. So, pabayaan natin. He wants some cheese. And I don't know what kind of cheese he put. Oh my god, that's the spicy one? That's the stinky cheese. Oh my god, your egg is gonna be stinky. Stinking. Anyway, guys. So, ito yung morning natin. Ang agenda natin, guys. Oy, ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya, guys. Kasi si Tommy, nagtrabaho siya sa city, diba? And then, nag-dumpster diving si Tommy. Hindi siya nag-dumpster diving, guys. Pero, ang ginawa niya, kuha niya, may nakita siyang tinapon. So, nag-dumpster diving na rin, parang ganon. So, meron siyang nakitang tinapon na, is that a big, is it printer? Printer. It's not even a normal printer. It's abnormal. It's huge. Printer. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya kasi nasa sakyan niya. And then, ilagay namin sa basement. I don't know why he's collecting while hindi pa nga tapos kami in the other house. Hindi pa tapos nagpacking but he's collecting his dumpster diving of whatever people throw out. So this is, ipakita ko sa inyo guys kung gaano kataas. I don't know what he's gonna use for that. He said it's not even working. That's why people threw it out. Hit by lightning? Is that real? Hit by lightning? So there is like a...
Oh, power surge. No, it wasn't sitting outside hit by lightning.
The power thing is something broken. You think you can fix it? And is it a good printer? Honey, stop eating cheese. It's bad for you. My God. Here's hala. It's mixed cheese, guys. It's spicy and stinky. Wow. Omelette flat scrambled. It's nice, guys. Ito na yung egg ni Mister. Naging scrambled na siya. Ito na yung ano. Nakalimutan ko pala itong chicken na binili ko. Ngayon, lutuin ko to siya. Kaso nga, diba? Nagkasukaso. Kaso nga, ay, ano to, nabali. Yan na lang natin siya. Kunti lang naman ito. For Tommy man ito, guys. Pero, alam nyo, naghihintay pa rin siya sa tawag ng trabaho. Kasi wala pa rin tawag, guys. Walang tawag na nangyayari. Alam niya na mayroon siyang trabaho pero hindi niya alam kung anong days, what time. Kasi approval kasi yung ngayon. Pero hindi ko alam kung makabalik si Tami talaga yung palagang balik na sa trabaho kasi. Yan. Nahihirapan na kami. Wala na kaming makain. Alam nyo, tayo guys, kahit wala na tayong trabaho, kahit naghirap na tayo dito, pero padala pa rin tayo sa Pilipinas. Pero nagpadala tayo, pero naisip natin ba, uy, Ginoo, kailangan kong bayaran, dami kaming utang dito. Kailangan pag-isipan, kailangan maraming gawin, ganan. Pero, kailangan ding magpadala sa Pinas. Kahit nakakapagod na paminsan magpadala. Kasi kalukuhan naman nila, pero wala tayong magawa sa buhay kasi kailangan magpadala. Meron tayong responsibility kahit hindi natin responsibilidad. Nakakaloka. Anyway, naligo si Tami and then alis lang kami. Look. So, hindi ko pa nga nabigay yung iba. Meron na naman, oh. And then, dito din. Ang laki na, oh. Kunin natin yan mamaya. And then, meron pa dito. Look. Diyan. Meron pa dyan. So, ang daming bunga ng zucchini. Grabe. Look. Yung bunga. Masaya yung zucchini ko, guys. Look. Hanggang dito tayo. Ang saya ng zucchini. Hi, guys! Dito tayo sa basement. I-open natin yung sliding door kasi yung kinuha ni Tami, yung nag-dumpster dive siya sa ano lang niya, guys, nakita niya kaya kinuha, parang dumpster diving na rin. So open natin itong door na to. So yun, tignan natin kung ano yung nakuha niya kung gaano kalaki kasi malaki daw talaga. I'm going to tell Tami to change the screen over here, oh, kasi, oh, mga butas na, kaya pumapasok yung mga spider, oh. Butas na yung screen sa labas. Oh, pumapasok, oh. Han, there's a large aid. Wait, can you brush them, oh? Hurry up. Look. They're everywhere. From there.
Screw it on first.
No, we can push it first. And then I will carry this.
You have to put the wheels on
And
it.
then I will carry this. Hold on. Hold slowly because I'm using my knee.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, keep pushing it because I need to get in. Is it in the right spot?
Well, so far this one is.
You think you can sell it if you fix it? Han?
Yep.
How much is this?
Well, when it was new, it was about 20,000. Right now, you can buy them for about 6 or 7,000.
You fix it and we sell it? What the fuck? yung dumpster ni Tami na inuha. Mahal daw ito guys, and then pag maayo niya to, pag ma-fix niya to, I want him to binta-binta this. Kasi mahal daw ito. Malaking printer. Hindi lang ito, I thought it's a regular paper printer guys. No. It's a Marquis print. Okay, so now where are you gonna put it? My wheels pata raw. Hold on, so now what? Huh? Now, is it safe like that now?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, let me see. So there's no power whatsoever. Okay, your car is running, you know? Oh God. Nung binili daw ito guys, printer na malaki, yung binili daw ito is $20,000. So ngayon, pag maayo yan ni Tami, pag maano niya, kaya parang may sira lang sa wiring, I think yun yung akala niya. So yun yung hinala niya. So kaya tinapon. So ngayon, look. Ang laki-laking printer guys. So ngayon, pag maayos yan, mga 6,000 daw yun. So, tignan natin. Sabihin ko talaga sa kanya. Kasi nagkulikta pa talaga. Nakakaluka. Ang laking printer. Ngayon ko lang nakita ang ganitong printer guys. So yun, nalagay na finally sa basement. Kasi akala ko pwede sa office. Kasi akala ko regular printer na nakuha niya daw sa yung tinapon, yung dumpster. So ngayon, sabi ko office kasi magagamit, diba? Hindi pala siya regular printer. Printer pala sa mga malalaking mga signage. Printer pala sa mga signage. Nakaloka. Ang mahal daw yan kaya kinuha niya. And then tignan niya kung ma-fix daw niya. So let's see. And then hopefully ibinta. Hindi niya i-keep kasi additional na ang daming mga anek dito sa bahay. Kaloka talaga itong si Mr. Ganyan yan si Tami guys. Nakakaloka. So guys, meron akong baon. The cookies, I forgot the name. It's a Filipino thing. I don't know. Basta yun. Basta yun na yun siya. Nice house, look. And this is a brand new house, almost done, oh. And this one over here, meron silang swimming pool close to the road. Look,
Yeah,
over there.
I think that was kind of crazy, but I guess they don't have enough property to put it anywhere else.
Yeah. So meron silang swimming pool close to the road. It's great. There's nothing in the back.
There's nothing. There's a drop. It drops in the back.
Yeah, I know. Because that's the lake in there. There's a lake, look.
Right on the road, really.
This is very Florida area house. Look, like, even the driveway, right?
Pavers.
No, it's a
Pavers.
there's construction here, so soon. So yun guys, andito ako sa driving ni Tami kasi inano ko. Minove ko yung sasakyan niya kahit walang akong yawi dito. So ngayon ibalik natin yung upuan niya. Naninibago talaga ako palagi kapag dinadrive ko tong sasakyan niya. As in, naninibago talaga ako. So, yun. Tapos, nagutom na tayo. Kakain tayo ng ano. Ito yung dala ko, oh. Ito siya. Kain tayo. Haircut na si Mister. Look at that. Oh, traffic, bebe. So they're busy?
No, they weren't really busy, but they're slow.
So anyway guys, so tapos na guys, may haircut na si Mister. New haircut na love. It's not everywhere anymore, huh? When you were a baby, I saw a picture, the christening. Somebody carried it. Yeah, hair everywhere. It's really like, oh my god, dark.
Like
and
Don King.
Yeah, it's just like, oh my god, point everywhere. It's like and also somebody carries you. I think it's like Ima. Is that Aunt Ima?
Maybe, probably Aunt Betty.
No, it's not. I know the picture of Aunt Betty, but it's a different one. It's a tall lady.
No, Emma was not tall.
Maybe that's your mother's friend. But oh my god, your hair is crazy.
Yeah, I had wild hair. Still like.
Yeah, Your hair is really thick. Hindi kami makalabas nito. Giahak eh. I-close nga natin itong window ni Tami kasi parang may kung gustong pumapasok na bitok. Hi guys, so ngayon nandito na, nakabili na si Mr. ng take your bill. So we have only one holder here. Put yours.
And then there are two oil options for your vehicle. There's the natural and the full synthetic. Which of the two would you like to use today?
What's the difference, honestly?
So then the full synthetic has the best protection for the engine, right? And then they're both high mileage vehicles also. Or
Right.
not vehicles, oils.
So there's, I guess there must be a different oil that goes 7,500. Because this car used to do 7,500. I think it resets at that.
Well, if you want to go a little bit longer than that, that's up to you. If you want to.
Well, you know what? Give me that high mileage one and go
Which
from
one?
there. Yeah,
Full
give me that.
synthetic? Okay. No problem.
So guys, tapos na yung ano ni Tami sa sasakyan. And kumain kami pagkatapos doon kahit nagda-drive siya. Kumakain kami ng Taco Bell. And habang nag-oil change, may narinig akong malakas na parang nabiyak ba. Kasi nag-change oil change, merong tao sa ilalim ng sasakyan. And then natagalan sila, parang nag-ano sila, nag-worried sila. So nagtataka ako. So meron daw screw na hindi makuha. And I don't believe that. I think they broke something down there. And even the lady, the other car, the lady keep looking under and looking at us. And I kinda like very suspicious already that they did something under the car. And after that, after Tommy paid, for a while they tried to fix everything, la la la. And then he said we have to, Tommy need to bring this car to repair shop to look under there and get the screw. Seriously. So now pupunta tayo sa ilalim. When we get home, I'm going under the car and check. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging kabayo ka man. Dun-dun-dun. It's nice view over up here guys. You can see over here but it's not really, you cannot really see because it's far. Pakita ko sa inyo dito. Dito, meron dito mountain, oh. Oh, look at that. The mountain view. Oh, you cannot see now. Right here. Ooh. Mountain view here, guys. It's a nice view here. You can see the mountain and the houses and everything. Kapag snow, winter, it's so pretty. You see the mountain. It's full of ice, snow, dead tree. Hi guys, so ngayon natulog si Tami. Pahinga siya. So, punta tayo dito. Punta tayo sa ilalim ng sasakyan and then tignan natin. So, gagamit tayo ng tuwalya ng aso. Bagong laba po ito. Oh my God. Tinali lang guys. Tinali lang yung dapat i-secure. At saka meron pa ako hindi nakita eh. Animak. Hala. I'm gonna call Tommy, guys. Hold on. I'm here! I'm here! Oh my god, he tied it. And then oil is still loosened. And then touch the thing in there. It's flapping. It's still flapping.
This?
No, there's plastic there. And then did you see oil? Did you see oil there? It's still oil and there's something in.
What's that puddle over there?
Huh?
Is that water over there? Is that puddle over there?
I don't know.
Reach under there and touch that, see if it's water. This is the place he's supposed to take down. He's got it held on fucking zip tied. The whole fucking.
It's broken, honey. They broke it. Seems like it's not even locking it.
Right, it's not pulling out.
And I think whatever holding should be hold the screw, they busted it. So now it's not locking. What did you just say?
Nope.
What did you say?
Yeah. Oh.
What did you say?
I said nope.
You're not.
Tell your mom. I said no. Say no.
Uy, this one is lubatsu.
Unplug the phone. Plug that in.
Adoy, pagkahimo sa pinangga dyan. Okay guys, harvest tayo dito. Ang dami. Han? Can you put this in there? There's more zucchini. Harold is over there. Can give it to them. Look, magtubig tayo dito. Pero harvest tayo ng talong. Talong dito. Meron pa dito sa likuran. Meron pa dito. Ay, ay, ay. Namamatay naman ito guys. Kailangan ng tubig. Give this to Harold. More eggplant harvest. Tapos na akong nag-barbecue dito guys. Still pinatapos ko lang kay Tommy. Okay lang gawin. Okay. Are you gonna give it to him later after?
You decide what you want to send over.
This one, oh.
All that stuff is fine.
Hi guys! So ngayon guys, tapos na akong nagtubig sa labas. Tinubigan ko lang yung mga ano ko kasi yung zucchini, yung nasa gitna, yung maliit, namamatay siya. Nag-start nang namamatay dahil sa hindi ko tinubigan. Tinubigan ko siya pero paputol-putol ba? Hindi usually doon every morning or afternoon talaga akong magtubig. So tapos na akong nag-grill. And, ang dami kong harvest. As in, nag-harvest ako ng eggplant, ang dami. And, kinuha ko pa yung mga maliliit. At saka, cucumber, ang dami. Kahit maliliit na, pero maganda siya ba kasi presko. So, ngayon, pero, meron pa ako dito, bagong harvest din. Kasi, ang dami kong hinarvest na ganito. Yung iba, yung cucumber, yung zucchini, yung eggplant, marami-rami yun. Nandun sa kapitbahay na palagi namin kausap. So, binigay ko. Next time kong harvest with cucumber, with zucchini, with eggplant, with string beans, with tomato, with wine is doon na sa kabila. Kasi, you know, magpasalamat ako guys sa kabila doon kasi every winter, tinutulungan talaga. Hindi man every winter, pero sometimes talaga tinutulungan nila ako sa ano, doon sa snow. Pagkuha ng snow sa yard ko, 'di ba? And also hindi lang 'yan. Paminsan kinakat nila yung yard ko grass summer. So yun yung kaganapan. So kaya hopefully mga next month a lot of cucumber, a lot of tomato, a lot of string beans, eggplant, and scallion is marami namang scallion. So ilagay ko siya sa basket nicely and I'm going to give it to the other neighbor with wine. Right, love? Because with wine, guys, kasi pasalamat na, thankful na tulungan nila tayo paminsan sa mga gawaing yard. Matulungin yun sila doon. Friendly. Yung asawa niya okay lang. Yung lalaki. Hindi siya masyadong friendly yung lalaki, pero yung babae friendly. Did they eat their dinner? Good girls. Did you give them treats?
Yeah.
Good boy. Good boy, Tami boy. Halahan, it's windy now, love. But anyway, guys, I will see you later kasi pahinga lang ako. Luckily, tapos na akong nagluto. That's why I cook early the chicken. Because I know a storm is coming. And it's gonna be windy. So, good thing. It's 10 o'clock na ng gabi. Katatapos ko lang nag-edit. And si Tammy andun pa sa ano. I think, iwan ko na lang. Pasensya na guys yung light is yellow. Look. Yellow yung light natin ngayon. Anyway. So, matulog lang ako guys kasi yeah, parang hindi na taata si Tammy. Gustong katabi tayo kapag gabi. Palagi na lang ako dito well, paminsan dito man yan matutulog pero mostly talaga doon na siya. And also parang mas komportable siya sa couch talaga. Yun ko sa kanya. So matutulog yan dito, pukawin ko, gisingin ko, and then mag-transfer siya dito. Mga few hours later, nandun na naman siya. Natulog, naghagok. Sa maisip ko paminsan ba na, ano ba to? Gusto ba akong makasama nitong sa kama? Or gusto niyang doon siya humiwalay siya? Pero alam ko talaga kahit noon pa sa isang bahay, mahilig siya sa couch, matulog. And mahilig siya sa bench. Yung sa kitchen, sa living room, yung old couch, yung couch na ito, sobrang soft kasi. So parang naging ano niya. Sabihan ko sa kanya, magising ako. Mga 3 o'clock, sabihin ko sa kanya na, ba't iniwan mo ako? And then sabihin lang niya, komportable ako dito eh. Kasi sabi, ang rason niya si komportable siya doon so dito daw si Roxy sa may paa, kung saan yung paa namin, hindi daw siya makamove. Sabi ko, di sabihin mo sa kanya, mag-move siya. I-in ko na to guys kasi gusto ko nang matulog din. Nasa sa kanya na yun. Ganito kami guys palagi. Nasa sa kanya na yun kung gusto niya magpunta dito. But anyway, look. Tumaas yung buhok ko, diba? Pataasin ko na yan and then mag-color ako. Maghanap tayo ng magandang color and magandang salon na makapag-color talaga ng buhok ko na yun talagang gusto ko. Yung worth it ba? Diba? Ang mahal ng bayad and then hindi ka happy sa binayaran mo. I'm going to end the vlog. Salamat guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.